here is elevated, and across this wall is más bajo, is down, because there are a barranco. How do you say barranco?
Barranc.
Barranc. There are a barranc, but now no. And go straight on, and arrive to the river, the Turia River. It's across the Valencia city, and finally the end to the Mediterranean Sea. It's the machine with cleaning the streets, because
Down underneath the water from the Mediterranean Sea.
yes, but this water only for to regar cultivos. How do you say? Watering gardens, not water to drink, or only to use for a farm, maybe. Yeah. It's near. Huh? Oh yes, the door of my school, the Catholic school. No, the church is here. The church, maybe a little church. Yes. Colegio San Enrique. Erasmus Plus. Erasmus. You remember yesterday the Erasmus to change the teenagers, because come another country, learn the languages, change the abilities. It's a good idea for teenagers. Stay 3 or 4 months, another family, another country, another language, and talk with another children. It's very strong for the ability they have a boy, maybe. Because I think in Spanish all families protect their children. When their children grow up and decided to go to another country, when the children arrive, is crying because I don't do anything, because always in your house their parents resolve their problems, and when it's a very, I think it's necessary to go out for a period of time, a short period of time, not. Yeah. It's very near. If you, because I don't have a cat or a dog, I don't walk around. But yes, because if you want a dog, you need all time to walk around the street. The water arrives here when the Danas pass. The river, it's over. No, over no. Es más grande. It's bigger. The water is bigger, and the water disaster. Everything flat, yes. The temperature is good, huh? At home, I don't know. At home, no, but the temperature is good. And you can every morning stay in the garden, reading a book, walk with children, with dogs. You need an excuse for not stay at home, to go out, because it's Sunday. Don't work, don't relax. More people across. Mira, it's dangerous. It's dangerous cross, but don't walk. But the bicycle cross, the people cross, because it's the water arrive here. Huh? The water arrive here. It's river is there, and the water arrests, distractions. It's a horrible situation. Never ever in my life I watching this similar situation. My father don't watch this situation, the cat and dog. Yes, the water. It may be 20 kilometers or 30 kilometers when the raining starts, but this day, this city, 17 kilometers here, because a star and the river across more cities and go out at the end of the river is go to the sea, and these parts are more across. And there are a farm, there are a huertos farmer, and actually now, because it's a big problem. It's similar here, a farmer, because in this part is the same, but the river across. Actually, the government to change this bridge. It's a historic bridge in this situation, in this city, because the street go to Barcelona and go Valencia. This is direction to Valencia, and this is direction to Barcelona. And maybe you need to cross if you go to Madrid. It's a strategic point, I think. Well, I see the river. The river, the water is a minimum, maybe, but rain a lot. Nos quedamos por donde podemos quedar. No problem across, no top ball, no hay valla, ¿no? No hay valla because the car no, is a problem. Yes, the nature this is a natural park, and there are patos in Spanish, ducks, patos. Patos. The color of water is done to drink, because it's estancada, maybe. The profundidad. I don't know, because in the past have a puente de madera, a wood bridge, semicircular, and the cross, because the Dana is the water very big, and arrasar, destruction, everything. Another path for bicycle is go. There are a lot of bicycles. Yes, because the river se hizo un poquito grande, and only distractions are cars. Maybe the car park over there, it's a rust. This is a school, and another big city, Paterna, because it's near this. I need another bridge to across the cars or the people, because
es bonito. También vas tu paseo. Yeah, because the weekend is very far. The old person, the elevator and the bus elevator. Right. When you come, your baby is here. Not here. It's
In the back.
in the back.
Yes, I have seen someone.
The I think how to pay. Come on guys, come on. Oh, I think no, no. Very, very hard because around
Please.
2 or 3 minutes away. Very near. I love it. This city. I love it.
Why?